Yes, Tanishq, your answer is correct. I am having the same number of digits after the decimal point, like decimals. That's right, Tanishka, Anya, Riyan, Azhar Khan. Your decimals, Prapti, right? Like decimal is the right answer. Bhuvi, Arav, Joel, your camera is closed. Open it fast. Next question is, I am the sum of all the sides of a closed figure. Yes, yes, right. Avni, you're right here. Bhumika, you're right here. That's right. Sum of all sides of a closed figure is known as perimeter. That's right. Chehek, Kanishka, Riyan, Azhar Khan. Prapti, very good. That's correct. Perimeter is the right answer. Anya Pali, right. Next C part. I am an expression with a variable, constant, and the sign of equality. That's right. Bhumika, Riyan Azhar Khan, Chehek. Very good. Kanishka, right answer. Tanishk, right answer. Joel, right answer. Anya Pali, wrong. Ridhima, right here. So equation which will be the answer, because I told you earlier also, just make equality ka sign, variable and constant. All these things are there, then it will be called as an equation. Variables means alphabets, constants means numbers, and equality sign means sign of equal to. All the three things should be there, then it will be an equation. That's correct, Avni. Let's move to the next question. Next question, correct the incorrect statements. The perimeter of the rectangle of the length L and the breadth B is L plus B. Yes. Right, Kanishka? Tanishk, check your answer once. Riyan, Azhar Khan, it's correct. No, Ridhima. Anya is right here. 2 into length plus breadth. Right, Chehek? Very good. So the formula of the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length plus breadth. So here the formula is given wrong. So it will be 2 into length plus breadth. Yes, Tanish, Bhumika, correct answers. Next is 5 times x subtracted from 8 times y is 5x minus 8y. Yes, Kanishka, your answer is right here. Yes, Chehek is correct here. Bhumika is correct here. Ridhima is wrong here. Anya is right. So it's written 8y minus 5x. This is the mistake given over here. So it will be 8y minus 5x. Yes, Tanish, Prapti, your answers are right. Absolutely correct. Come on, children, give me the answers in the chat box so that you can check your answers where you are getting wrong. 8y minus 5x. Bhuvi, Bhumika, open your camera also. That's right. Next question is 3.45. Sorry. The question is wrong over here. 8.25. The question was there. 8.25 lies in 8 and 9. That's Kanishka. You're right here. The question is given wrong here. Anya Pali, right, 8 and 9. Bhumika is right, 8 and 9. Saksham, aap. Okay, fine. Ridhima, right. Prapti, right. Good. Catch the mistake. Avni, you're right here. 8 and 9. Yes, right, Chehek. 8.25 lies between 8 and 9. That's right. The question is wrong over here. Okay, fine. Catch the mistake. An expression for 4 added twice a number gives 12. Is 4x plus 12 is equal to 12. 2 is equal to 12. No, Kanishka, it's wrong here. What will be the expression for 4 added to twice a number gives 12? Twice a number क्या होता है? Come on, give me the answer in the chat box. 4 plus 2x is equal to 12. Chehek, right? Avni? No, wrong, you are here. Ridhima is right here. No, wrong. Wrong. Prapti, Rayan wrong. Ridhima wrong. Beta 4 added. Ritul Bhardwaj right. So it will be 2x plus 4 is equal to 12. 4 added 2. Twice a number. Twice a number means 2x. And we have added 4 to it. So 2x plus 4 is equal to, and you have got 12. So 2x plus 4 is equal to 12 answer. No, you will not take out the answer. You have to just form an expression. It's written an expression for. Question is given. Yes, Bhumika, you're right here. You have to just find out the expression here. Expression का मतलब क्या होता है? You have to just change the statement into an equation. You have to check the mistake here. Yes, Bhumika, right. It will be 2x plus 4 is equal to 12. Or 4 plus 2x is equal to 12. Both the answers are right. Next question, B part. You have to write the given statement as decimals. The statement is given 2,809 tens, y1s, 3 tens and 400s. Yes, the first mistake is 9 into 10. Instead of 8 into 1, 9 into 10 will be coming. In the second, it will be 9 tens are 90. That's right. And yes, 90, Tanishk right, Tanishka right. Yes. Here also some mistake is there. 9. Yes, 90. 2895 plus 0.34. Right, Tanishk? Correct. So there are 3 mistakes in this. First, it will be 9 into 10. Second, it will be 90. And third, it will be 2895. 3 mistakes are there in this question. Ridhima wrong here. Saksham wrong here. So it will be 2895.34. Three mistakes are given in this question. Did you get that? Bhumika, Arnish, Bhuvi Tandon, open your camera. Yes, instead of 2885, 2895 will be coming. Yes, Chehek Agarwal, that's right. Arnish, Bhuvi, open your camera. Complete the following. Subtract 0 from 6a square plus 7a plus 2. So what will be coming in the first blank? Come on, children, give me the answer in the chat box. Avni, you are wrong here. Subtract 0 from 6a square plus 7a plus 2. What will be coming in the first blank? Avni, are you getting your mistakes? 7a square. 7a square नहीं है बेटा. 7a plus 2. Yes, Ritima, you are right here. In first blank, 6a square plus 7a plus 2 will be coming here minus 0. 6a, because it is written from there, na? From लिखने से क्या मतलब है? No, चाहे क्या wrong here. From means कि आपको 6a square plus 7a plus 2 पहले लिखना है and 0 will be coming afterwards. I told you from अगर लिखा होता है तो the number which is coming after from it will be coming in the front. And 0 will be coming at the last. So 6a square plus 7a plus 2 minus 0. Yes, Ritul Bhardwaj, you are absolutely right here. And in the second blank, it will be coming 6a square plus 7a plus 2. That will be your answer. Right, Bhumika, in the first blank. Chehek, you are wrong here. It should not be in minus. It will be same as it is. When you are subtracting 6a square plus 7a plus 2 from 0, you are getting the same answer, 6a square plus 7a plus 2. Yes, Bhumika, you are right here. Yes, Chehek. 6a square plus 7a plus 2 will be your answer. In second blank, it will be coming like this. Okay, tell me 784.25. When you will change, what will be below 2? 2 by 10 and 5 by 100. That's right. Ritul, right answer. Kanishka, right answer. Avni, right answer. Ridhima, right. First blank is right. What will be the second blank? Right, right. Kanishka, right. Tanishk, right. Ridhima, right. Chahek, right. Very good. Very good, children. Next question, perimeter of a rectangle, sum of all sides. So what will be AB here? 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 5 plus 6. Yes, Kanishka, right here. Avni, first blank is correct. Ridhima, what will be coming in the first blank? There are two blanks given over there now. So in what will be coming in the first blank? Bhumika, correct. Ritul, correct. Avni, second blank is right, 16. But what will be coming in the first blank? Both the blanks. Tell me the answer of both the blanks. Check, first blank is correct. What happened, Joel? Check right now. Riyan Azhar Khan, open your camera. Yes, Tanishk, you're right here. Yes, in the last blank, you're getting 16 centimeter as your answer. And in the first blank, 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3. So it will be 16 centimeter is your answer in the second blank. Right, Avni? Ritima, you're also right here. Let's complete the statement. Numbers having fixed values are called. Kanishka is correct here. Ritul Bhardwaj wrong. Kanishka is correct. Rizima is correct. Riyan Azhar Khan is correct. Chahek right. Anya right. Yes, Chahek, you are right here. Constant. Numbers having fixed values are called constant. Yes, Saksham, Avni, you're right here. Constant is the right answer. The place value, right, Prapti. The place value of 2 in 0.0423. 2 is at 1000. Yes, right. Anya, you're wrong here. Chahek, correct. Tanishk, wrong. Tanishka, right. Saksham, wrong. Saksham, you're wrong here. Prapti, wrong. Tanishk, right here. Ritul, wrong. Riyan Azhar Khan, right. Ridhima, right. Yes, it will be the place value of 2 is in 2 upon 1000 or 2000 is their answer. Yes, Bhumika, your answer is correct. It will be 2000. If present age of Hitesh is 30 years, after 7 years his age will be Chahek correct, Anya correct, Tanish, you are wrong here. Ripple right, Riyan Azhar Khan right. Joel right. Ritima right. Tanishk right. Kanishka Saksham correct. It will be x plus 7 right. Bhumika right. Avni right. X plus 7. Whosoever is getting x plus 7 as their answer, it's correct. Let's move to the next page. Short questions. Short questions. First, we'll do very short questions. Wait. Okay, the perimeter of a regular hexagon. Case study part is here. Wait. This is your second page. Integrated case study. So write the name of the month having maximum rainfall. October, right, Ritul? Yes, Kanishka. Anya. Kanish. Ritima. Chahek. Right answer. October month. Saksham, right answer. Now, how much less is the average maximum temperature of November than October? Ritul Bhardwaj is correct here. Saksham wrong. Kanishka wrong. Second answer. Tanishk right here. Bhumika first answer is correct. Avni, you have to tell whether the temperature, you have to subtract the numbers from November month to October month. Joel, Bhumi, Ka, Bhumika, Bhuvi, Kavya, Arav, your camera is off, open it. So 2.57 is the right answer. Second answer, 2.57. Write the name of the month having minimum rainfall. सबसे कम rainfall किस month में होती है? Yes, December. Right, Kanishka, Ritul. Right answer. How much more is the monthly rainfall of October than December? Yes, Kanishka, Ritul, your answer is right. Anya Wali, your answer is correct. You don't have to subtract to tell me which how much rainfall is less. Prapti, you're wrong here. Anya, wrong. Name the month having average maximum temperature. Average maximum temperature. Yes, Ritul Bhardwaj, your answer is correct. Avni Agarwal, you're wrong here. Yes, Saksham answer is correct, but you have to tell the November. No, October is right. October is correct. Yes, October is the right answer. Now next question. E what is October? Avni, Saksham is correct here. Very short questions. Find the perimeter of a regular pentagon with each side measuring 3 centimeters. (15) right answer. Ritul, Prapti. Tanishk, Arav, right answer. Now let's move to the next question. Express as meters using decimals. 3 meter 25 centimeter. 3.25. Right, Ritul, Kanishka, right answer. Yes, right answer. Second answer is 7 centimeter. Meter में change करें 0.07. Right. Ritul, Kanishka, Avni. Avni, check your answer. Kanishka, right answer. Arav is also right. Avni is also right. ये क्या है अवनी? Write the correct answer, children. Give an expression for the following. 9 subtracted from minus n. Right, Ritul Bhardwaj? Kanishka, where is minus n? N should have a minus sign over there. Yes, 9.9 is n point. Tanishq, right here. Prapti, you have not applied minus sign over here. Minus n minus 9 will be your answer. Yes, Arav, Joel. Joel, your answer is wrong. Minus n minus 9 will be your answer. Next question is 2/3 of a number is 36. 2/3 of a number is 36. Kanishka, you don't have to solve beta. Ritul Bhardwaj, right? Number you have to take it na as x, y, z, कुछ भी लोगे आप. 2/3 of x is equal to 36. Tanisha, you don't have to solve it, beta. You have to just write the expression. Yes, Ritul Bhardwaj. Let's move to the next question. Find the area of a square plot of side 18 meters. Find the area of a square plot of side 18 meters. Right, Prapti, Kanishka, right answer. Ritul Bhardwaj, right. 324 meters square. Yes, 18 into 18. Beta, you have to find out the area. Area means side into side. 18 into 18. It will be 324 meters square. Avni, check your answer. Tanishq, right here. Yes. Find the value of 34.6 minus 12.23. Right, Prapti, Kanishka, right answer. Absolutely correct. Next, B part 7.245 plus 5.306. Yes, right. 12.756. Ritul, Kanishka, your answers are correct. Ritul Bhardwaj, Kanishka, both of you, your answers are right. 12.756. 22/37 and 12.756 is the right answer. Let's move to the next question. Short questions. The perimeter of a regular hexagon is 1260 meters, centimeters. How long in each side? The perimeter of a regular hexagon is 1260 centimeters. How long is each side? Ritul Bhardwaj, your answer is right. Kanishka, your answer is also right. Prapti, you have to check your answer. Avni, you are wrong here. Prapti, wrong. It should be 210 meters. Centimeters, sorry. 210 centimeters will be your right answer. Take Ria's present age to be X years. What will be her age 3 years from now? आज से 3 साल बाद उसकी क्या एज होगी? अगर उसकी अभी एज X years है, 3 साल बाद, yes, Ritul right, X plus 3 years. Kanishka, Ritul right answer. That's right. Next question is, Ria's grandfather is 7 times her age. What is the age of his grandfather? Ritul Bhardwaj, Kanishka, Tanish, answers are right. No, Arav wrong. Avni Agarwal right here. No, Avni Agarwal, you are wrong here. Ritima, you are wrong here. Ritima, wrong answer. It will be, it's written times now, so you have to multiply the numbers and alphabets both. 7 into x, 7x. Because it is written times her age. Grandfather is 7 times her age. The area of rectangular cardboard is 45 centimeters square and its length is 9 centimeters. Find the breadth of the rectangle of the cardboard. What is the answer? X minus 4. Okay, 4 years back we are going, so X minus 4 is right answer. Kanishka, Ritul right. Prapti, you're wrong here. Yes, Ritul Bhardwaj right. Yes, Prapti right. The area of a rectangular cardboard is 45 centimeters square and its length is 9 centimeters square. So the school has 25 students. What will be the equation? Five centimeter. That's right. Yes, 5 is right radius, but what will be the area, beta? $55 centimeter. It's written over there that you have to change the sentence into ordinary language.